everybody, it's Play-Doh time! Today we have a big Minions Play-Doh box and it contains 2 funny minions, some scissors, a comb, 4 colors of Play-Doh, and this amazing Minion Play-Doh throne. What we will do is we will fill those minions with Play-Doh, put them on here, and then they will grow hair like you see it right here. Let's try this. Why don't we start with some yellow Play-Doh? We have to open it up. Now we have to fill this funny minion with the yellow Play-Doh so we can grow some hair. Okay, here we have the yellow Play-Doh. We will take a piece off of this, fill it in here, like that, and then let's make the minions sit. 1, 2, 3, go! You have to push really hard to see the hair grow. Do you see it? Do you see how funny the hair grow? Ah, this is crazy! Look at those funny minion hairs! Now we can take a comb and comb the hairs down right into the face of our minion, like this. Now the hair don't stand up everywhere, but they're flat down. You can take some scissors and cut the hair. And now our minion is almost bald. This is so much fun. Now our minion has no hair left. Now I'm sure you know how much minions love bananas. This is why we will make a little banana for our minion now. We'll take a little bit of yellow Play-Doh and fill it right in here, because we have a banana shape down here, see? We press it on. Take off the unnecessary Play-Doh. And now let's take out the banana and see what happened. Ah, look at this! We have a yummy minion banana here. Yum, 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 yum. Banana! Banana! Now we will dress up our funny looking hairy friend with those stencils. Here we have a mustache. Here we have a skirt. This is a tie. And here we have a little tool to clean. Let's make a tie now. We have to decide on the colors we will use. Let's use some purple and some blue. We'll take out the purple and put a little bit of the purple Play-Doh right into our stencil in here. Now we'll take some blue Play-Doh and we'll do the same thing again. We'll take some blue Play-Doh and put it in our stencil. And now we can even go crazier. Take some more purple Play-Doh and put it in here. We'll need some more for the second side. And now let's see how funny the tie is gonna look on our funny friend. We'll have to take out the tie. Wow! Look at this! Oh my god, this is so cool! Look at this funny looking thing! With the long hair and the funny tie. What a freak we have here. Let's now make a purple minion and see what they look like. For that, we will have to use the platform as a throne again. We will take the purple minion, fill it up with some purple Play-Doh, right in here. Maybe even a little more so we can make really long hair this time. Again in here. And now we put the funny purple minion on the throne and we have to press it down really hard. Do you see the hair grow? Wow! Crazy! Wow! This is so funny! Look at this funny purple minion with this cool hair. Fits perfectly with our yellow minion. Now, let's dress this purple little funny friend up with a funny mustache. We will make it in orange. For that, we have to take off the minion. Put it down here. We have to take off the chair. And we will use the platform again. This time we will use this piece of the platform. We have to fill the platform with some orange Play-Doh. So we have to open up the Play-Doh. Plop! Take out the orange Play-Doh. Fill in the mustache stencil. Ah, so much fun. In here we have the mustache, and now we only have to take off the Play-Doh we don't need. And then we have to put it on the minion's face like this. Plop! Now we have a purple minion with a funny orange mustache, and we have a yellow minion with some crazy hair and a tie. What a great Play-Doh box we got today. Wow! Don't forget to keep smiling. If you like this video, don't forget to watch some more of my videos. And if you want to subscribe. Bye bye!